lesson from a video last week about wind. Now here's my shotgun with a sock on it. What we found? Forgotten train station. How old it is. That wouldn't stop a train, alright, might stop a train. Carry your luggage around. Signal around. Asbestos lag. Royal Mail. Well, looks like it's newer train tracks than what they used to use. Look inside here. Number one. Here's the old time train tables. There, that's how you say it. You buy your tickets. August 1990. Brisbane Central, Rome Street. Exhibition, Bowen Hills. Well, I used to go Lanesborough to Brisbane to Lanesborough. Leave at 9:40 in the morning. No, that must be wrong. No, could be right. Well, 9:40 in the morning, reach 5:50 in the morning. It's a long travel, just go there. Seat benches. Toilets. Look, we found toilets here. We can't get inside. And we'll go around the back. Let's see what Warren's doing. I think he's having technical difficulties. How old this is. I used to go to Landry as well.
We might be able to find it, or we might not.
I just seen something crawling on the camera. I thought I seen something crawl on it. Maybe a moth. Probably got loaded up from the trucks. If you see or hear anything that we don't, let us know in the comments. There's a few of you out there, a couple of you out there that do it. I posted the time that was on. Very thankful for you guys doing it. Picked up on things that we haven't. There's a bed there. Anyone need a bed? Oh, this is behind the old line is fine. No?
I around that side and I heard a shh.
Did you?
You didn't, no?
No.
And it's quite like it's like right outside my ear. Shut up. There's no idea of
How I read it is leave at Brisbane, Central Roma Street at 9:40 and get to Landsborough at not at 5:50.
5:50. Oh yeah.
See this? It says arrive.
So from Caboolture to Landsborough, it's saying 5 hours?
Yeah, down 8:52
Wow.
a.m. 8 hours. 8 hour trip.
Because that was probably for to refill the steam trains and all that too, wasn't it?
Yeah, I don't
And
know.
all that sort of stuff. That took time. That could only get so far. And wow. Gives you an idea of.
So 100 up meets 103 down at Eagle Junction. 108 meets 105 down at Roma Street. 107 down on Double Line and 119 down at North Pine. So it was more than just one train doing it, eh? That's probably why it took them so long. One train would go a certain distance, unload it, load it back up.
Wow.
That's back in 1890. So quiet here, eh?
It is. But you hear animal noises and creaking and sticks breaking and things in trees.
Is there even a main station anymore? It goes Bowen
No.
Hills, Main, Albion.
Yeah, well, according to that,
What's that one?
Eagle Junction,
No.
and then you got
That one.
yeah, that's the one I couldn't work out the other day. It's
Thoroldon Town.
something town, like Harlton Town. I have to check that one
Sorrel-
anyway. There must have been a suburb.
Thoroldon Town.
There must have been a suburb.
Thorold Town.
So like something walking with a chain or you know, like an animal, even if you had a chain around its neck. And we've got the directly behind us as well. Bush good 60 a river. There's a river of about 200-300 metres from here. Goes up to the town. Kind of reminds me of Shark Expression a little bit.
Alright guys, I think I've taken you around everywhere. Good look. Same old turn. If you're new, subscribe. If you're lingering, don't just linger, subscribe. You're going to be notified for new contents each week, each Sunday. Hit that little bell. Smash the like button. And always remember, be good, be safe.